channel. Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more content in the future. Because in the past, there has not been anything here because this is the first video on this channel. Happy birthday to you if it's your birthday, but also to the channel. We are number one. Today we're going to be testing out 5 Instagram photo hacks that you can do in or around the house to freshen up your feed a little bit while we're all in To be honest, I haven't actually posted on Instagram in over a year. And that's because, I'm gonna get real with you for a second, we're breaking the fourth wall here. We're breaking the fourth wall that we never even built. I was just not happy with myself and didn't feel like taking pictures. I started a desk job, I put on a bunch of weight, and I was just not feeling myself. And if you're not feeling yourself, you don't feel like taking pictures and posting them on the internet. So what's changed, you may ask? And looking at me, not too much physically. It's all up here. And by that, I guess I could mean that I dyed my hair pink, and if having pink hair doesn't inspire you to start a YouTube channel and take Instagram pictures, I don't know what will. But honestly, being stuck in quarantine's got me thinking a lot, and it's got me kind of going on a life journey of introspection. I told myself, I'll take pictures when I lose 5 pounds, or when I lose 10 pounds, or when I reach my goal weight, or when I bleach my roots, or when... It's never going to feel like the right time. You just have to decide to do what you want to do and what makes you happy. I realized I may never reach my goal weight. I may never look exactly the way I want to. I can't control those things, but what I can control is how I feel. And I decided to feel happy about the way I look. I keep telling myself, I look fine. I mean, I look fine. There's nothing wrong with me. There's no reason that I shouldn't be able to take a picture and post it on the internet, same as everyone else. So here we are, pink-haired, feeling creative, in quarantine. Let's take some pictures. So I'm not gonna lie, when it comes to the world of self-portraits, I have no idea what I'm doing. So if you guys have never tried any kind of self-portraits before, we are on the same level and we are starting out together. So maybe this is the perfect video for you. First, we're gonna do all the inside hacks, and then we're gonna do all the outside hacks. It just makes sense to me that way. I just don't want to be going inside, outside, dragging mud into the house. I don't know. So inside first, outside second. Another thing is I'm going to be doing all of these hacks 100% alone. I don't have a camera person. I don't have a friend. That just hit a little bit too hard. Regardless, I'm going to be doing this by myself. So if these hacks get approved by us, that means that they're approved for one person. The first hack we're going to test out is supposed to look a little something like this. So you're supposed to use a giant screen TV behind you to change the background and set it to something cool, trippy, psychedelic, like a cool You know what a background is? I don't know why I'm trying to explain it to you. But let's see how it goes. Okay, so I've been testing this out, and I honestly think you need a giant screen TV. Like, this TV is pretty big, but I don't think big enough for this hack. This is a pretty big TV. Okay, this is kind of my last hope. I'm thinking maybe if I stand really far and just try to get 1 inch of me in the picture, maybe it'll work. It's so cool in concept, but in practice, it's not working. I would not say that hack works at all. Unless you have the world's biggest TV, it's not gonna work. You're better off using the green screen filter on TikTok and just, you know, putting your little hot dog knees on the beach, you know? The second hack is one that I've seen a lot, and to be honest, I don't really get it. Like, okay, so you use a toilet roll and you shine a flashlight through it to make it kind of look like a spotlight effect. I'm assuming it's doable. I'm assuming it's cool. I'm hoping it'll turn out cool. I don't know. Let's go. I have a flashlight. This is not a flashlight. I have a flashlight. I have not a roll of toilet paper, but a roll of cardstock that I've taped together. The main issue here is that I'm doing all these pictures by myself. So how am I supposed to, you know? I got this like little like gorilla tripod. So I'm hoping to maybe like attach it to my tripod and then attach and then we'll see. I just like rest this on top of my camera. Is that gonna fall? Probably, right? Probably, right? But YOLO. So it looks like we got some kind of spotlight thing going on. I see people doing like half in the spotlight, half out of the spotlight. Enough of this. You don't have to watch me awkwardly pose. I'm gonna stop recording and then start snapping. Honestly, the photo that I got from the hack is not so bad. I would post it on the feed. I would say 7 out of 10. Would recommend if that's your style. And honestly, if you have someone to hold the flashlight, let's be real, that was a nightmare. On to the next. The third hack and final indoor hack is one that's supposed to look a little something like this. So you use fairy lights and wrap them around the camera, and then it's kind of supposed to give you this ethereal look. Let's get into it. I'm assuming it's gonna be another one. We have to turn the lights off, and I don't know what the camera settings are supposed to be, so I'm gonna put it on auto. The only fairy lights I could find are these pink ones. So I want to wear this like reflective top so it maybe look extra sparkly or something. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Does anyone have fairy lights that aren't tangled? Do fairy lights exist that aren't tangled? Do I have to do this? Maybe we actually want them to be tangled. That's what I'm gonna tell myself. The hack says you put some around the camera, but I don't know like if that's gonna... Again, this would be one of those things that would be easier if you had a friend, but let's be real. Those are in short supply these days. They actually turned out pretty cool. I'm definitely gonna be posting it on my feed. Posting it. Posting it. I'm definitely gonna be posting it on my feed. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, make sure you do. Instagram link below. Check it out. Maybe I'll put it on the screen. If I feel like it. Now we are taking things outside for the outdoor hacks. The third hack involves using a CD to shine the reflection of a rainbow on your face. So it looks like one of those rainbow filters, but in real life. Don't know why you couldn't just do it after in Photoshop. But you know, we're all about that IRL here. So when I've seen other people try this, they definitely need someone else to hold it. I don't think it's going to be possible for me to do it alone. I've got my CDs from Ultimate PC Toolkit Maximum CD, Spring 2005 special issue. I brought a handy dandy flashlight just in case the sun doesn't work. So if that doesn't work, this is hopefully gonna work. If this doesn't work, that's hopefully gonna work. And if none of this works, then maybe this video won't even go on the internet, but we'll see. If you're watching this video, that means something went right. I don't think you can do this by yourself. In all the videos I saw other people trying this, they had someone to help them. Your girl's on her own here. Sorry, I have what I'm seeing on here so I could see. I'm gonna say so far, not very promising. Okay, that's a CD. Where's the rain? I see it! I see the rainbow! Can you guys see it? Am I imagining things? No, it is there, right? Like that? Cute! I'll get to it and then you guys can see how it turned out in a second. Honestly, don't do the hack by yourself. It turned out cute, and I'm gonna be real, I photoshopped the colors a little bit to make them a little bit brighter, but like, don't do that by yourself. Unless you want to pick the pose where you're lying in the grass. In one hand you have your phone remote, in the other hand you have your CD. If you don't want to do that, don't do the hack. If you email me your picture, I will personally Photoshop a rainbow onto your face so that you don't have to go through that. That being said, am I going to use that photo on my feed? For sure, very cute. 10 out of 10 would recommend that picture specifically, not the hack. I was going to say fifth and put up 4 fingers. Our fifth and final hack is the sky hack. When we have stuff like our backyards available to take pictures in, when we're not going too far from home, or even like a park, you get a lot of green on your feed. So what we're doing with this hack is try to shoot from the ground up. So instead of green on your feed, you got the pop of blue from the sky. That sounds hard to do. I don't know how these other people that I've seen in their pictures have pulled it off, but we're gonna be the next ones to pull it off. Yeah, we're gonna do it. Confidence. Yeah. I don't understand how the lighting's gonna work shooting up, that our face is still gonna be lit, but all the example photos look like they can do it, so if they can do it, we can do it, is my thought, is my hope, is my prayer. Am I putting my camera on the ground? I feel like that's the only way to do this, right? Okay, we'll see. Like, what am I meant to be doing up here? I was wearing a skirt and then I changed to shorts, but I mean, you can still see up my shorts, right? I'm supposed to be like squatting, like maybe we need to do this in the sun. Oh, now we got that sunburst. That's nice. Like, my hair's just gonna fall down. Maybe that's the look. I don't know, guys, I don't know. Okay, at the beginning, that one was super frustrating. At the end, it was super fun. And then after the end, when I went back in the house and asked my brother if he had seen me in the backyard, he said, yes. And then everything just wasn't worth it anymore. So in conclusion, do these hacks work? Yes. Should you do them? Probably not. Honestly, okay, a couple of them were doable. And the photos turned out cute. So you know what? If you've got a day free, go for it. I honestly think the biggest hardship in this was doing it by yourself. But we've proven through this video that you can do it by yourself. So if you want to, steal these hacks and show me your pics. Also, if you want to see my pics, even though I've already shown them to you, if you want to see what funky, fun captions I come up with to put underneath them on Instagram, follow my Instagram. And that's pretty much it. Those are our hacks. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, can you give it also still a thumbs up though? Because it's my first video and it would be good for my self-esteem. No, we don't need self-esteem from others. We can build it ourselves. But thumbs up though? Let me know in the comments down below what kind of other videos you'd like to see from me. I'm feeling super creative and inspired, and I just want to create content to share with you guys. So let me know down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye!